Hi everyone, let's create a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. First, from data, go to data tools, then select data validation. Click this one. From here, select list, then click this symbol. Then go to the options you have. For example, I have these options and I put it here in another sheet. Then select all of them. Okay. Enter key. Then select OK. Directly from here, you have a drop-down list. You see? Then you can select it as subjects you want. For example, I want this subject geology or engineering analysis. You can select the different subjects as you see. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Have a nice time.